Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing something different than a gaming video. We'll do a development video for today. So this video is how to make a login system in C++. So what you want to do is download Visual Studio Code. I will have the link in the description, and you also have to download something called Ming W14, and the tutorial on how to download that will also be in the description, and how to set it up. So firstly we just need to go to extensions, and you'll just have to search C++, then this and this one, and you will just have to install it. And if it's installed, you can just close the tab. Then you'll want to create a new file, so you'll do that, text file. I'll just close this one, and then you want to select the language and you scroll down to C++. Okay, so now that's set up. First thing you want to do is take include, and then want to put in spiky brackets IOStream. Okay, and you will also have to do this. I will do this because this is a lot quicker to do. So using namespace std. And yeah, by the way, this isn't a tutorial for C++ itself. This is just how to make something in C++. So I won't teach you anything about what it does. This is just how to make it, right? Okay, so then you just do the main stuff like int main, and so now you have the basics set up. That's nice, that's what you want to have. So you can start. Okay, let's just start with first we have to make strings. So we'll do a string called username, string fake username, then we'll do a string password, and string fake password. Okay, so now that we have done that, we can just have to save it. Okay, so we'll save it and we'll call it login2. Yeah, now it works. Okay, so sorry about that. Just have to type that again. Cout. Okay, yeah. Sign up. Okay. And now. So, and then we'll use a cin, and then the username, and so we'll just use cout again, and we also need a cout here, as I can see. And by the way, don't have to do the couts right now, just it makes it look nice, let's just say that. So username and now, so this is gonna be the username. So what you put in here will be the username. Then you'll have to make the password. So we'll have a cout password, and also the rest goes the line under that, and a C in, so it can take so like that. Okay, now we have the sign up system. Now we need to do the login system. So we'll do a C out again, and instead of sign up we'll do login. Okay, and then enter. Okay, then we'll also do another C out, but I'll just copy and paste this right now because I'm a little lazy, and you can also do that too, and this will cost a lot of time if you don't do it like this. Okay, so now you have that. First thing you want to do is change the username here to fake username, and the password to fake password. Okay, now that you have this, it's time for what actually makes it work. So we'll do an if statement, and if username equals fake username, that will check if the two usernames that you put in by sign up and login are the same, and if they are, it will print logged in. But of course you also want to check the password, so this won't be enough. Oh, I got you there. First we have to finish this. Yes, okay. Something ain't right. Oh, I forgot the capital. Oops, my bad. Okay, so then we'll do two end signs to say, okay, so if username is fake username, and so we'll do password equals fake password, then print logged in. So now if both of them are equal, so this is equal to this, and this is equal to this, it will say you're logged in. Nice. Okay, and then you'll just need to do an else statement with another C out that says either your username and or your password is incorrect, and we'll put an enter after that also. So now we have this, and we're just gonna run it. So first we save it, and then run, and then do the thing that you downloaded, the GGU. So I think it was this one. Yep. Okay, so if I wait just a bit, yeah, sign up, username. So I will put Beamer here, password no, and then it will ask for the username, so I will just have to fill in Beamer again, and password no. You're logged in. Okay, nice. Now to test if it also works if you fill in one incorrectly. So let's just say username Beamer again, password no, and we'll do Beamer here as by sign up and fill the no, and it works. So another try, but this time it works. Your code works, and you now have a login system. Congratulations. Well, this will end this tutorial on how to make login system in C++. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.